I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me.
Hey guys, Scott Washburn coming to you live from Las Vegas, Nevada, and what I wanted to do today was go over a bottled water demonstration. I wanted to show you guys how bad bottled water really is and how harmful for you it is. On top of the fact that it costs you thousands of dollars to buy bottled water over the course of a year to 2 years, it's also very unhealthy for you to drink because there's chemicals sitting inside that bottled water, which also sits within plastic. All of these bottled water brands, including more, are all acidic. And when you take in acidity, right, it lowers your body's pH level, which should cause cancer, diabetes, and other sort of man-known diseases. As we know, the more acidic and the lower your pH drops, the more prone to diseases you are. The higher in pH, the more alkaline you are, the better off you are for health. Diseases cannot thrive in alkaline environments. These are facts. So what I want to do today was show you how bottled water is bad for you, why you shouldn't be drinking it, and I want to show you its acidity level compared to Kangen water, which is real water that's not in bottles, and it's chemical metal free, unlike these. So let's start with this company right here. This company is a local brand in Vegas. It's called Real Water. They claim that it's real water, it's got electrons in it, and it's 8.0. Essential. A lot of people drink this water brand. I know a lot of people do. I used to drink this before I started drinking Kangen water. This claims to be 9.5, but the funny thing is if it's just water, and it's supposed to be 9.5, which it claims to be right here, then why on the back does it have ingredients? And then in the ingredients, why does it say sodium, phosphate, magnesium, sulfate, calcium, chloride? Does that sound like water to you? Because water, I thought, is just water. Then you have smart water, which claims to be smart, but it's actually not smart at all. This actually has ingredients into it too. Aquafina, people know what Aquafina is. You have, of course, energy drinks like Propel for athletes. This has citrate, disodium, natural flavors, potassium, salt. Why would you ever put salt if you're trying to hydrate yourself in something? Salt dehydrates you. Mountain Dew. You guys all know Mountain Dew. Very, very acidic. It's carbonated. Of course, you have the Kangen water, which is 9.5. And then I'm going to pour water into each cups, and we're going to test it with pH drops. And we're going to expose its real alkalinity level. Now, on this video, you'll see a chart showing acidic to alkaline, and we'll compare all these bottled water brands.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me.
We're gonna take some pH drops and test the pH level. And look for the pH chart that you guys are going to see on your screen. Okay. So as you can see right here, the Kangen's the deepest, darkest out of them all. It's the most alkaline, and it's natural. Remember, Kangen water's chemical metal free. Okay. You can obviously see that soda, if you look at the pH chart, super acidic. Same with the energy drink. Look at Aquafina, acidic. Smart water's neutral. Essentia, that's claimed to be 9.5 is alkaline, so they say, and same with the real water, okay? Now keep in mind the amount of money you spend per year to buy these bottled waters. When a Kangen machine is not only cheaper, but it's also better for you to own a machine and to drink Kangen water. Now what I'm going to do real quick to actually show you how these two, even though they look alkaline, they're not. It's actually a scam. It's chemically added. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow into the water with my oxygen, right? And the oxygen, my carbon dioxide from my breath, is going to expose the water back to its original state. It's going to expose all the chemicals and metals in the water. So as you guys know, these are already acidic. I can just pull these out of the way. That's the Kangen water.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 on me.
Wow. That's the real acidity level to Essentia, guys. They're lying to you. You're spending your money. You're buying water that looks like this, but really it's chemically added, and that's what you're really buying and drinking. Let's do the real water now.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and 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 on me.
Goes right back to basic green to yellow, just like the Essentia did. And then what we'll do is we'll do the Kangen water.
God's plan. God's plan. I can't do this on my own, hey, nope, hey. Someone watching this shit close, yup, close. I've been me since.
So as you guys saw, I just blew into the Kangen waters equally as long as these two, and it didn't change a single color. The reason why? It's real, it's natural, it's Kangen water. It's not chemically made, it's chemical metal free. Now, like I was saying, if you guys have any questions on any of this, let me know. I would love to reach out, educate you, and help you, and show you how to not only stop buying bottled water, but also how to get a Kangen machine.
Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies.